Welcome the students in science class. Class 10, Unit 10, Some gases. Topics: carbon dioxide gas, lab preparation, properties, uses. Ammonia gas, lab preparation, properties, uses. Lab preparation of carbon dioxide gas. Apparatus required: Wolf's bottle, thistle funnel, delivery tube, gas jar. Chemical required: calcium carbonate, dilute hydrochloric acid. Process: pieces of calcium carbonates are kept in Wolf's bottle. Dilute hydrochloric acid is allowed to fall from thistle funnel. Dilute hydrochloric acid reacts with calcium carbonate to give carbon dioxide gas. Carbon dioxide gas is carried by delivery tube and collected in gas jar by upward displacement of air. Because carbon dioxide gas is heavier than air. Balanced chemical equation: reaction: dilute 2HCl plus CaCO3 gives CaCl2 plus CO2 plus H2O. Carbon dioxide gas is tested by wet blue litmus paper. Because it is acidic in nature and converts wet blue litmus into red. Properties of carbon dioxide gas are: it is colorless, tasteless, and odorless gas. It is heavier than air. It is acidic in nature. Uses of carbon dioxide gas are: it is used to make soda water. It is used in photosynthesis. It is used to extinguish fire. Dry ice. When carbon dioxide gas is cooled up to -78 degrees Celsius, it turns into white solid ice, is called dry ice. It is used as refrigerating agent. When the carbon dioxide gas is taken near a burning matchstick, it extinguishes. Because carbon dioxide gas does not help for burning. When sulfuric acid is used instead of hydrochloric acid, we get carbon dioxide gas, but there is formation of insoluble calcium sulfate, which forms a coat or covering around the marble chips, and reaction stops. Confirmation test of carbon dioxide gas. When carbon dioxide gas is passed through lime water for short time, calcium carbonate and water is formed. It gives white precipitate. Reaction CaOH2 plus CO2 gives CaCO3 plus H2O. When carbon dioxide gas is passed through lime water for long time, calcium bicarbonate is formed. White precipitate of calcium carbonate disappears. Reaction CaOH2 plus 2CO2 gives CaHCO3 whole 2. Lab preparation of ammonia gas. Apparatus required: hard glass test tube, Bunsen burner, delivery tube, lime tower, gas jar. Chemical required: ammonium chloride, calcium hydroxide. Process: the mixture of ammonium chloride and calcium hydroxide is kept in hard glass test tube. It is heated to get ammonia gas. Ammonia gas is passed through lime tower and collected in gas jar by downward displacement of air. Ammonia gas is passed through lime tower because it gives us dry ammonia gas. Ammonia gas is collected by downward displacement of air because it is lighter than air. Balanced chemical equation. Reaction 2NH4Cl plus CaOH2 gives CaCl2 plus 2NH3 plus 2H2O. Ammonia gas is tested by wet red litmus paper because it is basic in nature and converts wet red litmus into blue. Properties of ammonia gas are: it is colorless, tasteless, and has pungent smell. It is lighter than air. It is basic in nature. Uses of ammonia gas are: it is used for blueprint map. It is used in production of fertilizer. It is used for refrigerating agent. Haber's process. 1 part of nitrogen and 3 part of hydrogen is heated up to 500 degrees Celsius temperature, applying 250 atmospheric pressure in presence of iron catalyst and molybdenum promoter to produce ammonia in large scale. This is called Haber's process. N2 plus 3H2, 500 degrees Celsius and 250 atmospheric pressure, Fe catalyst, MO promoter gives 2NH3. Promoter. The chemical which promotes the chemical reaction is called promoter. Example: molybdenum acts as promoter during Haber's process. Ammonia react with water to give ammonium hydroxide. Reaction: NH3 plus H2O gives NH4OH. The hard glass test tube is slightly inclined because it prevents from dropping the water drops on the hot part of test tube.